Hi everyone. After successfully completing Palo Alto Firewall Urdu Hindi training course, I am going to start new Palo Alto Firewall weekend batch, which will be in English version. In this course, after every class, you will get recorded videos, my own lab workbook and notes, EVE-NG setup, either GNS3 setup. Either you can use VMware Workstation to do your practice in lab. You will get all the switches, router and firewall images beside Palo Alto firewall image. You can get any firewall images if you want. And obviously I will guide you the PCNSE certification exam. Even I will provide you all the material so that you can easily pass the exam. The course outline which we will follow in this course is this one. First, we will discuss about network security terms, and definitely you will know about proxy firewall, application firewall, packet filtering firewall, what is transparent firewall, what is virtual firewall, zone-based firewall, uh, cloud-based firewall, virtual firewall, UTM, personal firewall, and stateful and stateless firewall, and next generation firewall. In second part, we will discuss about what is Palo Alto Firewall, Palo Alto Firewall architecture, Palo Alto Firewall packet flow platform, and data plane and control plane. Also, we will see how to install and configure Palo Alto Firewall in VMware Workstation, also in EVE-NG, in GNS3, and initial setup, how to configure, how to assign the interfaces, and initial configuration of firewall. After this, we will discuss basic configuration, CLI access mode, CLI management command, management interface, DNS and NTP configuration, account administration, configuration management, Palo Alto dashboard, and some GUI error which we normally face. And after that, we will do security zone, configure interfaces, configure zone, virtual router, L2, L3, virtual wire and tape mode, sub interfaces, DHCP server, and initially working lab setup. After that, we will discuss about how to import and export backup, how many way, and how to locally store the backup, how to export the backup, how to take state of the firewall, and licensing update and upgrade firewall, how to upgrade the firewall, how to update the software, and etc. And security policy, we will discuss many things which I mentioned a little bit here. Security policy configuration, policy creation and order, default policy and unused rule, override and revert default rule, configuration policy based services, configuration policy based protocol, and application configure policy through application by application, shadow rule, and security zones like universal zone and intra-zone and inter-zone. In net, we will configure what is net, configure basic policy, understanding net, type of net, source net, destination net, static net, dynamic net, and U-turn net. And the combination of these we will do this one. In app ID, we will do what is app ID, identify the application, protocol classification, application group, application filter, application shift, dependent application, and implicitly use application. And content ID, we will discuss about security profile, antivirus security profile, anti-spyware, vulnerability protection, file blocking profile, URL file profile, denial of services security profile group, and how to attach this security profile to security rule. Also, we will cover up user ID, many more things, but a little bit here, user ID agent and captive portal. In SSL decryption, we will discuss how to create a certificate, how to export a certificate, how to install a certificate in a window environment and client, and how to create a decryption policy and exceptional rule. We will discuss about routing configuration, default route, RIP configuration, OSPF configuration, and redistribution as well. And management and reporting, we will discuss dashboard, SEC tab, syslog server, SNMP server, NetFlow, basic logging, basic reporting, app scope monitoring, and packet capturing. High availability, we will discuss active and active standby, and we will configure and verify high availability. And VPN, we will discuss about IPsec VPN, IPsec tunnel, site-to-site VPN, and global protect VPN. In AD integration, we will integrate the Palo Alto Firewall with Active Directory, with LDAP, and we will also see some radius authentication as well. And last but not the least, in Panorama, how to create a template and push, and how to integrate. These are just little bit course outline which I mentioned, but we will follow more than this. This is my own created notes which you will create, like common security terms. This is the notes. In the beginning we will start from the scratch, and later on we will go like this to firewall technology, just which we discuss firewall technology. What is stateful firewall, session, what is stateless firewall, and same is like, let me go to how to install. So step by step is here the notes, how to install in VMware Palo Alto Firewall, and the same as how to install them in EVE, CLI command, basic initial configuration, dashboard, licenses, initial working lab, like how to set up initial lab. So we will start from the basic, one inside one outside system and firewall, how to configure them in Palo Alto Firewall in VMware, either in EVE. So we can follow any setup, either we can use EVE NG setup, this is EVE, and here you can put the Palo Alto Firewall. This is Palo Alto Firewall, and just you can use them. And if you want in GNS3, so you can put in them in GNS3 as well. So this is Palo Alto Firewall and GNS3. And even if you want to use them, so this is in VMware Workstation, and we can open them in the browser as well. So this is we are using in VMware Workstation. You will get 1 month free license. This is the serial 1 month, which is just I finished the class, so my license is expired. We can provide you 1 month license. So let me check the license. Before end of the course, you will get one license so that you can do all the practice. Like this one just expired, and this is the license feature. Okay, so these are this just a little bit information. For more information, you can reach me, and you can get like syllabus outline, more information, course fees. You can take 2-3 classes free if you like to continue, otherwise you can quit anytime.